It is the moment y'all have all been waiting for. Is us going on water rides. We'll show you a video of it. We'll have our phones. And we're gonna get his reaction because he's never been on that ride before. Oh, he's so sad. First class or it's no class. Paradise Cruise. Oh. It's a water ride.
Don't be a water ride.
Evil. So evil.
He's already a little wet. So soon. It's gonna be me. Did you not get wet? I did. Did you not get wet?
Let's make this nothing.
Who dares do that? Yeah, he gave up. I'm so glad. Oh, that's not the worst one though. You're a little wet.
Really?
First ride for the day, perfect.
I was looking at all of you before we started there. I wonder who's going to get it.
It's still getting into my shoes. It's splashing out. Oh no.
I didn't know about this. I didn't know about this. Oh, okay. I thought I was already safe. What's happening? It's not really that wet over here. I mean, I'm pretty dry.
You okay there?
Heading into Dudley Do-Right, Ripsaw Falls.
We enter a moving melodrama.
Think about the ride. Great. Woo!
Walking to our last water ride of the day. What is it?
River Adventure!
River Adventure in Jurassic Park Land. We're almost dried off, but maybe we'll become wet again once we enter the water ride. It's a little POV of the crowds today. Not too terrible for a Saturday. Maybe we'll ride that one day. Psych, we rode it yesterday. With no 3D glasses on now. And we are here.
River Adventure.
The River Adventure. We'll see you guys on the flip side. Exiting the Jurassic Park River Adventure, you're brought into the Jurassic Park River Adventure gift shop. Let's go check out some of the stuff they have here. Jurassic World. That's soft. Feel that.
That's cute.
How much is that?
$37.
And you got some tumblers. Those are cute. Oh, Paul.
This shirt.
That's a cute shirt. Super soft. Would you wear it?
Probably here.
Yeah, I have a lot of shirts like that too. You could be a tie-dye girl. Get that one. This is cute too though.
It is $33.
That sure looks familiar. See? Look at that. Pterodon flyers.
We miss you.
Now we just need to find a shirt that has that on there for you.
I know.
Goodness gracious. Ooh.
Here's mine.
And candies. It's something that I've thought about for ages that I haven't pulled the plug on.
Look, there's a pop-up book.
It's a pop-up though?
For $75, you can have a pop-up book. That's so cute.
It's like a little fight scene. Ooh, this is what I want. That's cool.
Wow.
That is really cool.
For $750, you too can have that.
You too can be broke.
I don't see a price for that. For that is what? What's $9.95?
This?
Okay, well no.
But they have a Sam Neill one.
Ooh.
That's cool. Jeff Goldblum's is pretty cool too. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We had so much fun at Islands of Adventure doing all the water rides. If you guys have any requests for us to try a ride or say some more details about it or get to know more about the ride, please let us know. Well, until the next one, catch you guys later. Bye.